Hello, my darlings. I hope everyone is doing wonderful. Thank you so much for watching my channel and my videos. Today, I'm so excited to show you what I have created. DIY number 1. 2 wooden blocks that I have from Home Depot. They gave it to me for free. I'm using Waverly white paint all over. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create chapter books, 2 chapter books full of stories. So when the blocks are dry, adding those beautiful transfer on stickers from Folkart. Since I'm a play ambassador, they have sent them to me. So I'm just adding them on top of my blocks, just like that. With the help of the Cricut scraper, I'm putting the transfer on the first block. And I'm gonna do another design on the second one as well. I love those designs, black and white with a lot of flowers, roses. Now I'm using a Dollar Tree 3D stickers. I'm really loving them. They're like a rustic silverish bronze look. I'm gonna put them on each corner of my blocks. And here how it looks so far. Next, I'm using those transfer on stickers from Dollar Tree, and the name of my books will be called Garden of Roses. What do you think? I am really loving this story. Story full of mystery, love, adventure, travel, you can name it. Imagine all that beautiful places and everything. I'm just full of imagination. What do you think? So I'm adding those letters. On the smaller one, I'm gonna put garden of, just like that, doing the same process with a scraper. So I can put them on, removing the top of the sticker. The first book is done. Now, roses will be on the large book. So it's a book with 2 parts. Too many adventures cannot fit in only one book. Okay, so I'm putting the letters on the second book, just like that. And while you're watching me, I'm so excited to tell you that today I'm a part of a Bloomberg Grace challenge hosted by my 2 amazing ladies. Soon as this DIY is done, I'm going to talk about that. And we have a huge giveaway that we're going to give to you on Christmas Eve. So this is going to be our Christmas gift from us to you for this year, to give you our gratitude and thank you. So after my books are done, I'm adding a clear wax, also from Waverly, so we can have a nice sturdy finish cover on all sides, just like that. Also, I'm gonna add 1 wooden rose from Dollar Tree. I painted a little bit with white paint and glue it next to my roses letters. And that's about it. What do you think? I'm loving it. So today I'm part of Bloomberg Grace, hosted by my amazing friend Brenda, Monners Market, and co-hosted by Zaina, Okay at Home DIY. And also each of us who are on this playlist gonna have a secret word to enter for a chance for $100 Amazon gift card. So after you're done watching my video and enter my secret word, you gotta go to the whole playlist and enter all secret words from my friends creators. Manners Market Brenda, if you haven't visited her channel, please do so. And Zaina, Okay at Home DIY, along with my amazing, super talented friends in the playlist. DIY number 2. I'm using this glass vase purchased from Target Dollar Spot for $3. My daughter bought it for me. And I'm filling it with those fillers that I purchased at Joann's for a couple of cents on sale. I'm adding 2.5 bags inside, and I'm gonna make a beautiful bouquet of roses. So after I fill it up, I'm adding those beautiful off-white roses, and I'm creating a beautiful bouquet just like that. Super easy and super fancy, and it's perfect for our winter decoration and also for this coming Valentine's as well. And just adding more roses to make it more fuller. Super easy, and you're gonna see at the end how cute it looks. And this beautiful creation is done. Look how pretty. For my next DIY, I got this horse, metal horse. Also I got from Joanne. With the coupons and everything, it came out $7, but I didn't like the color. So first I was thinking, should I paint it all white or just distress it? So I'm trying to distress it all over with white Waverly chalk paint, and so far looks very good. Now I'm painting the bottom white as well. It's so pretty. Going all over, the same thing. Simple. Now when all that is done, I added a fur ornament in the middle, and that's about it. I also added a clear wax for protection, and that's it. For my last DIY, I got this red sleigh purchased on sale, and I'm gonna paint it white. So I put couple of coats of white Waverly chalk paint and folk art chalk paint as well, so I can have a nice beautiful white cover sleigh for our horse. And as you can see, I'm just going all over just to cover it, and it took me, like I said, couple of coats to cover that red color, using the folk art chalk paint as well. And so far so good. So when it's all dry, I'm adding more transfer on stickers, also from folk art, from plate, using the same process like I did for my books, using the scraper. And I'm gonna use this design on the both sides of my sleigh, just like so. So when it's all done, the transfer, I'm just removing the top of it. Just want to make sure all of it is in. While you're watching me, I gotta tell you my secret word. Don't tell anyone. My secret word for today's giveaway is Garden of Roses. Good luck to everyone. I wish you all the best, and I wish everyone can win. I'm doing the same thing on the other side as well, just like so. And look how cute and romantic this sleigh looks. What do you think? I'm really loving the color combination, and like I said, we can use it as our winter wonderland winter decoration, and also we can use it as our Valentine's Day decoration because it's romantic, it's beautiful, and that's all. What else can I say? Now I'm also adding a clear wax. This wax actually is like a protection of when you paint something, that it can be like a your item can be protected. And look how beautiful it looks. And here is all my beautiful romantic decorations combined with winter wonderland and romance, full of roses, full of greeneries. Here are my skates, because the Prince Charming took his lady to a skating date on a ride with a horse on a sleigh. And after that, they went to the garden rose. I am full of story. What do you think? I can talk about stories all day long. And I hope I entertained you today. I had so much fun creating all these creations. And I hope I gave you some inspirations for upcoming Winterland. Winterland, yeah, that's a new word. Winter Wonderland. And upcoming Valentine's Day. And look at the beauty of my horse. Amazing transformation. And the sleigh as well. I also added that black and white garland purchased from Walmart for $5.98. And the skates as well, they're from Walmart. I am really loving them. Let me know what do you think. Let me know if you're planning to recreate some of those items. Here is the amazing chapter books, Garden of Roses, who looks super amazing, vintage, romantic looking books. And I think I did a good job. Here is my cute vase with a full of roses bouquet. And the horsey. And the sleigh with the wreath with some roses bouquet as well. And enough about me talking. Don't forget about entering for the giveaway. And please watch the whole playlist along with the host and the co-host and enter for the giveaway. And until next time, I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. And I want to wish you lots of happiness, health, loves, music. And I have another video coming up on the 22nd, just before Christmas. That's gonna be our wrapping presents, so stay tuned. And until our next adventure, I'm sending you lots of love, lots of music, positive energy from me to you. Bye bye. Thank you.